Welcome back to my channel Rajguru Chemistry. Today in this video we can discuss the topic of organometallics. Hydrogenation of alkene. Alkenes are hydrogenated, we get the product of alkyl compounds in the presence of a catalyst. That catalyst is Wilkinson catalyst. What is Wilkinson catalyst? Chloro tris triphenylphosphine rhodium is the Wilkinson catalyst. The structure of the catalyst is rhodium, triphenylphosphine, 3-triphenylphosphine and 1 Cl ligand. It is a homogeneous hydrogenation catalyst. The oxidation state of rhodium is +1. The valence electron of rhodium is 9 and 1 Cl give 1 electron and 3-triphenylphosphine gives each 2 electron. So the valence electron is 16. The structure of Wilkinson catalyst is square planar structure and 16 electron species. First of all, we can talk about the important points of Wilkinson catalyst. Then we will discuss the hydrogenation of alkene. Wilkinson catalysts are preferably attack on less substituted compounds. The rate will be faster. Wilkinson catalyst attack on less hindered. Then we see the reactivity order of Wilkinson catalyst. It is very important. Mono substituted double bonds will be more preferred than di, than tri and tetra. Terminal alkynes are hydrogenated more rapidly than terminal alkene. Polar groups are hydrogenated more than normal groups. This is very important. It is a mono substituted double bonds. It will be hydrogenated more by Wilkinson catalyst. It is more preferably hydrogenated than the di-substituted compounds. This is di-substituted compound. This is also di-substituted compound by cis position. It will be more preferably hydrogenated than cis compound. Cis compound is more preferably hydrogenated than trans compound. It is tri-substituted alkenes. Tri-substituted alkene is more favor than tetra-substituted alkene. Then isolated double bonds are rapidly hydrogenated over conjugated dienes. If the alkene compound containing C double bond O and CN, NO2, aryl and ester, etc., that group will not be affected by Wilkinson catalyst. It will attack on the C double bond C or C triple bond C. Hydrogenation results in syn addition product. This reactant hydrogenated by deuterium benzene in the presence of an catalyst, it gives the compound of meso compound. The addition takes place is syn addition. Before entering the catalytic cycle, by leaving a ppH3 ligand, that vacant site will be created. That vacant site will be filled by solvent molecule. We can have a 16 valence electron complex. After the leaving of ppH3 ligand, it will have the shape of T-shaped. It is very important. Wilkinson catalyst, which one is the active form? That question will be asked. Rhodium ppH3 twice Cl is the active form and it have a T-shaped. And next, first step is the oxidative addition. This complex have 16 valence electron. The oxidation state of rhodium is +1. The catalyst activate the molecular dihydrogen by oxidative addition to give a 18 valence electron dihydro complex. In this step, oxidative addition takes place by hydrogen. It gives a octahedral complex, 18 valence electron dihydro complex. The oxidation state of rhodium is +3 oxidation state. Here the valence electron is 16 valence electron. Here the valence electron is 18. The oxidation state of rhodium is +1 is here. Here the oxidation state is +3. So the oxidation state will be raised by 2 units from +1 to +3. Next, binding of olefin. Olefin is the alkene. It is a dihydro complex, 18 valence electron. Oxidation state is in +3. This olefin is coordinated to this complex. It gives a pi coordination complex. It also have a 18 valence electron. There is no change in the oxidation state of the rhodium. Here +3 and here also +3. Next step, migratory insertion of hydrogen. This is the pi coordination complex. It have 18 valence electron. Migratory insertion of hydrogen. This step is the slow step. We have known that slow step is the rate determining step. So in this reaction, migratory insertion of hydrogen is the rate determining step. One of the hydrogen atom is migrated. So this site will be vacant. That vacant site can be filled by solvent molecule. So this alkene is changes into alkyl group. It also have 18 valence electron. There is no change in the oxidation state of rhodium. Here +3 and here also +3. The final step is the reductive elimination process. Octahedraл complex. It have 18 valence electron. Reductive elimination takes place. So this alkyl group will be eliminated as alkane and we get a complex of rhodium PPH3 twice Cl and S. S is the vacant solvent. Solvent this can be filled by triphenyl phosphine ligand. Again we get a catalyst, Wilkinson catalyst. It is a continuous process. The structure is square planar structure. Now we see the hydrogenation of alkenes. Alkenes, alkynes and unsaturated substances are reduced into alkyl group by Wilkinson catalyst such at 25 degrees centigrade 1 atmosphere pressure. It is a Wilkinson catalyst. It is an alkene. In this slow step, we get a rhodium ethylene complex, coordinated complex with the elimination of PPH3 ligand. Next, we see the catalytic cycle for hydrogenation. It is a Wilkinson catalyst, rhodium ClPPH3 thrice. It is in the +1 oxidation state. It will be 4 coordinated. The structure is square planar. It have 16 valence electron. In the oxidative addition process, it is a dihydro complex. It have +3 oxidation state. It will be 6 coordinated. It is in the yellow color. It is an octahedral complex. 18 valence electron. Then elimination of 1 PPH3 ligand. We get a 5 coordinated complex. The oxidation state is +3. This 5 coordinated complex are combined with alkene. This alkene is coordinated with this complex. We have a 6 coordinated complex. It have 18 valence electron. From 6 coordinated complex, beta hydrogen transfer and migratory insertion takes place. We get a 5 coordinate complex. From this 5 coordinated complex, reductive elimination takes place. We get an alkyl compound and rhodium PPH3 twice Cl. This complex is a 3 coordinated complex. It is an active form of Wilkinson catalyst. To this 3 coordinated complex, when we add the PPH3 ligand, we get rhodium ClPPH3 thrice. It is a 4 coordinated complex. It is in the form of T structure. It is square planar structure. It is a continuous process. This is the way for catalytic cycle for hydrogenation of alkene. If you like this video, please like and share your friends. Your doubts are given in the comment section. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.